Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limits. So now I want to show you how to answer. About 5s squared I can put into 9s squared plus 4s squared. About negative 33s, I can put negative 36s plus 3s. Next, we can do about factorization by s squared. This one, we can do about factorization by 4s. This one by number 3. Next, we can do about factorization by s minus number 9. Next, we simplify s minus number 9 on numerator and denominator. Now, we can put number 9 gone here, and we have the final answer. And we have 120. This is the end. Thank you for watching.